Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Technology Channel and I am your host Malik Muhammad Mehran. As you already know, Technology Channel presents solution for different technological related problems and about different technologies and about different areas of knowledge. Before starting this video, I am going to request you please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you may get new videos of my channel. If you like this video, please hit on like button and share these videos with your friends and with your family members. In today's video, we will discuss about Microsoft Teams, how to use this platform for online communications like video communication, like audio communications. In pandemic era, you are experiencing different softwares about online communication. If you are part of some organization, or if you are part of some school, some college, or some university, due to pandemic situation, all these institutions are communicating on online softwares. Microsoft Teams is one of them, and this is a very popular software. In parallel market, you can also observe Zoom and WhatsApp, and some institutions presenting their own softwares like LMS for those particular institutions that are very customized on their websites. However, in this video we will discuss about Microsoft Teams, how to use this software for online communication. In this video we will discuss this software about using this for educational institute for meeting or any other organization for meeting. This particular video is some sort of tutorial of Microsoft Teams. So to open this platform, we will first go on Google Chrome and search Microsoft Teams. Here you are observing different results about Microsoft Teams. We are going to log in Microsoft Teams. This is the interface of this platform. If you don't have account with Microsoft, then you have to first sign up for free. You are observing this tab on top corner of this platform. If you have already account with Microsoft, then you can sign in straight away. You are observing a download tab on this interface. This download tab provides you a app of this software for Android phones and also provides you a software for your Windows platform. So you can download a particular software according to your need. I have account with Microsoft, so I am going to sign in directly. Now I have to enter the password for this particular. After successful login, you will see this interface of Microsoft Teams. Get app for the Windows, but I don't want to get this app for my Windows, so I am going to click on use the web app instead. You are not on Teams yet, but you can set it up for your organization. So I am going to sign up for Teams. So here you are observing the interface of Microsoft Teams. I am going to sign in. up for Teams. After clicking on sign up, you will see this interface. You have to enter your name. I have entered my name, and now company name. Let's suppose I am making this account for my company, for my organization. Then I am going to enter the name of my company. You can select the country of origin according to your need, then set up Teams. So we are going to create an account on Microsoft Teams platform. So we are waiting for this. Leave your browser open while we are doing this. So we don't need to leave this interface because processing is on. Start using Teams. So congratulations, friend. Next interface is available. Download the Windows app or use the web app instead. You have both options. You can select according to your need. If you already have Teams app on your device like on Android or Windows, then you can click on this, launch it now. So I don't have this app or this software on my device, then I am going to opt the option use the web app instead. By clicking on this button, I will get interface on the same place on Google Chrome. Next interface is preparing now. Okay friends, this is the interface of Google Teams. Now our account is created on Microsoft Teams. So here is my account on Microsoft Teams. Sorry, I am saying Google Teams, not this is the Google Teams, this is the Microsoft Teams, but we are using this on Google Chrome. Here we have options. If you want a desktop notifications, then you can opt this, turn on, or you can dismiss them. I am going to opt turn on notifications. So this is asking you to allow or block notifications, then I am going to allow this. So this is the interface of Google Teams before you. Here we have option to apps, means here you can also download app for your Windows or for your Android phone. So friends, this was the whole journey of installation and making account of Microsoft Teams on your platform. So in next videos we will learn how to use these options to communicate with your team, with communicate your class, and with communicate your friends. So till next video, I want to say you bye bye, tata, Allah Hafiz. So once again I am going to request you, please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video.